everyone, this is Preeti. We are here with another question of data handling. Exercise 3.3, question number 6, page number 72. For doing this question, please refer your book. I am going to read the question number 6. Take the data given the minimum and the maximum temperature of various cities given in the beginning of this chapter, table 3.1. Plot a double bar graph using the data and answer the following. So I am showing the data here. Now, first we have to draw the bar graph. So start with drawing bar graph. This one is the x-axis, y-axis, and this one is the origin. So we have to show maximum temperature and minimum temperature on the bar graph. So start with Ahmedabad. So the maximum temperature of Ahmedabad is 38 and the minimum temperature is 29. First of all, the table is showing the temperature difference is about 1, 2, 3 degree. So I am going to take the difference of 2. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, and this one is the 30. Now 32, 34, 36, 38, and 40, 42, and 44. So start with the Ahmedabad. The maximum temperature is 38 and the minimum is 29. So this one is the 38. So this one is the maximum temperature of Ahmedabad and the minimum is 29. So this one is the 28 and the middle of this one is the 29. So this is the 29 degrees Celsius and this is the 38 degrees Celsius. This is the temperature of Ahmedabad. Now come to the Amritsar. The maximum temperature is 37 degrees Celsius and the minimum temperature is 26 degrees Celsius. So start with this one is the 37 degrees Celsius and for the minimum it is 26 and this one is the 26 degrees Celsius and this is the temperature of Amritsar. Now come to the third city, it is Bangalore. So the maximum temperature is 28 and minimum is 21. So now come to the 28, this one is the 28. So this is the 28 degrees Celsius and the minimum one is 21. Now this is the 20 and this one is the 21. So this is the 21 degrees Celsius and this is the temperature of Bangalore. Now come to the fourth city, it is Chennai and the maximum is 36 and minimum is 27. Now 36, this one is the 36. So this is the 36 degrees Celsius and come to the minimum 27. Now this one is the 27 degrees Celsius and this is the temperature of Chennai. Now come to the next, Delhi, 38 and 28. Now this one is the 38 and this is the maximum temperature of 38 degrees Celsius and minimum temperature is 28. Now this one is the 28 degrees Celsius and this one is of the Delhi. I am going to extend this one. Now next to the Delhi, it is Jaipur, 39 degrees Celsius and 29 degrees Celsius. Now 39, this would be 39 and the minimum is 29. This is 28 and this will be 29. This is 39 degrees Celsius and this is 29 degrees Celsius and this one is of the Jaipur. Now come to the next city. It is Jammu, 41 and 26. Now this one is the 40 and this would be 41. So this one is the 41 degrees Celsius, the maximum temperature, and the minimum one is 26. Now this is the 26. We come here. Now this is the 26 degree Celsius, and this one is the temperature of Jammu. Now the next and the last one is Mumbai, 32 and 27 degree Celsius. So first we'll draw maximum temperature 32. Now this one is the 32. Now come to here. This one is the 32 degrees Celsius. This is the maximum. I'm going to extend this one here. This is the temperature is 32 degrees Celsius. So I'm going to write here 32 degrees Celsius. Now the 27. Now this would be 27. Now come here. Now this is the 27 degree Celsius, and this one is of the Mumbai. So we have drawn the maximum and minimum temperature according to the question. Now we'll have to answer the given questions. The first question is, which city has the largest difference in the minimum and the maximum temperature on the given data? So we'll compare the given table. So as per the table, Jammu is having maximum temperature as 41 degrees Celsius and minimum as 26 degrees Celsius. So this is the biggest difference. So for the first one, the answer is Jammu has the largest difference in minimum and maximum temperature. So I'm going to write here for the part 1. Jammu has maximum difference between maximum and minimum temperature. This is the part 1. Now come to the part 2. In the part 2, which is the hottest city and which is the coldest city? So according to the given table, Jammu is the hottest and Bangalore is the coldest city. So for the part 2, Jammu is hottest and Bangalore is coldest city. This is the answer of the part 2. Now come to the part 3. The part 3 says, name 2 cities where maximum temperature is 1 has less than the minimum temperature of other. So for the part 3, we'll have observed the given data. So Bangalore and Jaipur and Bangalore and Ahmedabad. For Bangalore, the maximum temperature was 28, while minimum temperature of both Ahmedabad and the Jaipur was 29 degrees Celsius. So I'm going to write the statement for the part 3. Now for the part 3, maximum temperature of Bangalore was 28 degrees Celsius, while minimum temperature of both Ahmedabad and the Jaipur was 29 degrees Celsius. For both Ahmedabad and Jaipur was 29 degrees Celsius. So this is the part 3. Now come to the part 4. Name the city which has the least difference between maximum and the minimum temperature. So the city is Mumbai. So for the part 4, the answer is Mumbai. So this is the question number 6. this question we have completed exercise 3.3, and in the next video we are going to start with the exercise 3.4. Now with this question we have completed exercise 3.3. In the next video we are going to start with the exercise 3.4.